Get from here, Ann. Yeah, let's take a look at the PG&E outage map. This morning, outages are affecting pockets of 500 or more customers scattered more heavily in the South Bay. You can see a few spots hit in the peninsula and the East Bay as well. And there's more. We're tracking problems in the North Bay as well. KPIX 5's Emily Turner joins us live from Santa Rosa, where there is a lot of debris out there. How's it looking up there, Emily?
Yes. Well, it feels pretty windy. We're actually protected right now, but I can tell you that the drive up here, we were getting blown around on the highways, and pretty much no matter where you are, there is debris all over the roadways. Just take a look at the driveway right here. All of this just covering this driveway. This is actually part of a bigger tree, which you can see over there. It fell down, that pine did, on part of the car. Kind of a makeshift car part is collapsed, and then the base of the trunk all the way back down there to the house, where you can see the side of that house is basically smashed. I'm not sure exactly what time this tree went down. It was yesterday evening, or I guess rather last night, when this fell, when those winds were just beginning to pick up. So we're seeing plenty of that as it fell. The tree above it, some of those limbs were snapping and falling down. So they're going to have a lot of damage to be cleaning up here. Of course, as you've heard from Gianna and from Ann, lots of trees down all over the place, and we still have quite a few hours to go when it comes to all of this wind. So if you're out on the roadways, just be sure you're taking it slow and being careful, because not only do you have the debris to contend with, but you also have all of this wind. Reporting live in Santa Rosa, Emily Turner, KPIX 5.